Welcome to the Worth Knowing channel. Today, we are going to address a topic that has been making headlines worldwide and has significantly impacted the lives of billions of people. We'll dive into the science behind vaccines, their importance, and how they work to protect us. So, if you've ever wondered how vaccines function, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we delve into the mechanics of vaccines, it's essential to understand what they are. Vaccines are biological preparations that help our immune system recognize and fight specific pathogens, such as viruses or bacteria. Now, let's talk about our immune system. It's our body's defense mechanism against infections. When a pathogen enters our body, the immune system detects it and fights it off, but this can take time, and the pathogen might cause illness before the immune system can fully respond. Vaccines work by teaching our immune system to recognize the pathogen without causing the disease itself. When we receive a jab, it contains a harmless part of the pathogen. In response, our immune system creates memory cells that remember the pathogen. The memory cells stay in our body, ready to react if we're exposed to the actual pathogen. So, if we encounter a real virus or bacteria, our immune system recognizes it and responds much faster, preventing us from getting sick. Some vaccines last a lifetime, like a vaccine against measles, mumps, rubella, while others need to be repeated every few years. There are a few reasons for that, such as the rate at which a virus multiplies or mutates and age-related factors. There are different types of vaccines, such as inactivated vaccines, live attenuated vaccines, subunit vaccines, and messenger RNA vaccines. Each type has its unique way of training our immune system, but the end goal is the same: to provide immunity without causing disease. Let's have a closer look at mRNA vaccines, which were recently used against COVID-19. Researchers have been studying and working with mRNA vaccines for decades before this technology was used to make some of the COVID-19 vaccines. They work by introducing a piece of mRNA, which corresponds to the genetic sequence of a gene containing information about a viral protein. mRNA vaccines cause our body to make proteins in order to trigger an immune response. mRNA vaccines have several benefits compared to other types of vaccines, including shorter manufacturing times and, because they do not contain a live virus, no risk of causing disease in the person getting vaccinated. One of the remarkable things about vaccines is that they don't just protect the individual who receives them. They also contribute to herd immunity. This means that when a large percentage of the population is vaccinated, it's difficult for the pathogen to spread, protecting even those who can't be vaccinated. Thanks to that and intensive vaccination campaigns, polio has been eradicated from many countries around the world. Now, let's address a common concern: vaccine safety. Vaccines go through rigorous testing to ensure they are safe and effective. The benefits of vaccination far outweigh the rare risks of adverse reactions. Unfortunately, there are myths and misinformation surrounding vaccines. It's crucial to rely on credible sources like the World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to get accurate information about vaccines. For instance, the belief that vaccines cause autism is a widely debunked myth. This misconception gained attention following a fraudulent study published in 1998 by Dr. Andrew Wakefield, which claimed a link between the MMR, measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, and autism. The study was later discredited, retracted, and Dr. Wakefield lost his medical license due to ethical violations and unreliable research methods. Numerous comprehensive studies and investigations have since been conducted to examine any potential link between vaccines and autism. None have found any credible evidence to support such a connection. In conclusion, vaccines are a vital tool in the fight against infectious diseases. They work by teaching our immune system to recognize and defend against pathogens, ultimately keeping us and our communities safe. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more science and health-related content. Thank you for watching, and remember, science is the key to a healthier and better world.